Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This morning we're back over here at Charlotte Motor Speedway for Coffee Concord, and already we're here early, but it is getting packed. It's nice and foggy, which means good photos early in the AM. Got basically 2 rows already filled up. GTR boys. My boy Sean here finally got his car back. But it looks like it's going to be a pretty crazy day. Just look at this. I haven't seen this thing since Street Car Takeover last year. My boy Trees over here in the 32. GTS saddle. The 9-liter Viper. Haven't seen this thing in forever. Really nice to see this again, that orange. And then obviously more GTR boys showing up. My boy GTR Gun down there. We got Luke. Purple GTR. Honestly, this one's probably one of my favorites. And we just line up for days and days. So, gonna try and do a little bit more of a walk around than last time for y'all. But for now, I'm gonna take advantage of when the sun's not out and the overcast and get some good photos. I guess we'll just start by going down the road here. Couple Mustangs, 100. Roush Stage 3. I always love these little Roushes. Holy, look at this thing. The lower end. Slam. Dang. Nice. Not as nice as this Jag, I think. Beautiful. E-type coupe. Anyways, Corvettes. I mean, you can always expect to see a good bit of Corvettes here, honestly. Got the Felter CTSV. Me too. What a nice stance on these Belgian wheels. And sure enough, this thing's clean, honestly. Very nice. What else do we have down here? ZL1. The CA 570S. I don't think I've seen this car before. Intakes on the top, but I actually don't mind it. Carbon rear bumper, HREs. Oh, this is the same model as the Rossi and Q1. Very nice. Glad to see him actually bringing something different out. We got a Mr. Chrome Terminator. Always love to see that color. It's just a nice color for iridescence, like actually a thing. Z06. Well, there's more C6s all the way down the line. There's Corvettes in general. There's actually a lot of people. Also, all the Golfs cruised in today, which actually I don't think I've seen before, but just up there is including some really nice, like Mark 1s and Mark 2s. My boy M440 right here. Anything else back here? More Mustangs. Yep. I was just walking past these 2 Mark 1 Golfs, and I see the motor in this one. I see the motor in that one, and I do double take. This thing has a newer Volkswagen 5-cylinder in it. Actually, really cool. I had to do a triple take on this because I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Golfs. Not 4. Pretty cool. Not a convertible too. So I would take the coupe, but with that engine setup. So a couple of the Honda boys. I want to try them. Killer. So we got old mini trucks. Speaking of Golfs, this thing is really sick. Saw this on the side of Highway 49 a couple months back. It's cool to actually see it start coming out to shows. First time clips of this thing. VR6 single turbo. That's insane. IC30. Beautiful 7 Series. Love these, especially when you like put Alpina wheels or just factory BMW wheels on it and drop them. like this. It just looks so good. We got even more Golfs. And the cars are coming in faster than I can actually film them. You can already see that whole back row is filled up. Pretty nice to see passing down there. But I'll try my best to get everything. And this E90, this thing's got a cage in it on TEs. Respect. I love these little E90 sedans. I think it's a 335, but still, and 54. You can't go wrong if it's properly maintained. C8 GT500, C506, V1 CTSV. Always see those. Beautiful GT500. I don't know if this is the one who is notorious for doing like the craziest sensible GT500 in Charlotte, but it's basically identical. But down here, even more GTRs, another GT500, Mustangs, G87 M2, Dakar Yellow, E36 M3 right behind it. That's nice. Subis, E39 M5, love those. I just wish they weren't so expensive so I could actually get one. 2 10th gen Type R's. So we got a SM95 Cobra back there. Got my boy, not a Honda guy, over here in his little N600. It's crazy how tiny these cars actually are. So he has this and a Honda B, which I think is a pretty good 2-car solution. 2 okay cars. Cool thing. We got Camaro. We got a 5th gen Z28. What else we got back here? Z1, S2Ks. This is actually neat. Look at these cars. These are RTRs that were painted in their shops. These are all retired Ford colors. I don't know about that gray one back there, but I know these two. I forget what the colors are called. These are painted by RTR. They have their own paint booth and they can do Mr. Chrome and some other things. Actually really cool. This one's a stage 3 car, so it has the local supercharger. Same that you'll find in the Ford FP800 package, the Shelby, and all that. Cool. Boy, flop shot. He is flying sexy. Feels like an eternity since I've seen that car. But he was just telling me he was down at Amelia Island, Concord last week and got a trophy for best import. So that's pretty cool. But while I was talking to him, so many freaking cars showed up. Turbo S, First Monte. I mean, even this row's starting to get packed now. 250. One day. RX3. Love these cars. So we got 928. Still running. What are these comp wheels on this car? So we got a couple RX-7s. 3-rotor.
This is crazy. This is a crazy road trip to have.
Nice. We got a 2-rotor, single, another 2-rotor. Looks like a twin car down there.
NSX over there. Y'all like cars, or were you guys already buddies?
Moving along. Turbo LS 240. Rowdy. Speaking of Rowdy, my boy David here in his F82. Beautiful car. I've seen that in a while, but it's super rowdy if you've seen any of the previous video clips. Holy grail, a BMW. We got a 1M and a Z3 coupe. Oh, we got M6 and brand new M5. A couple E36 M3s. Gee.
What do you do? Getting on it?
That is sick.
We're driving or hard?
I don't know which one I want more. Once again, got to talking, and there's still a line. It is 8:45. It's crazy how long the line is. I don't even know where they're parking cars anymore, but just looking at everything. Good bit of Mustangs. SF82. Type R, Type R, Type R, Type R.
Yeah, you get the bounce out.
Might be a little biased between these two. But what else do we got over here? GTO, 3-car. I don't even know what else is down here. Ooh, got a JZX here. Okay.
Got a lot of props out of it.
Pretty nice. Still want one of those. Like Toyota Crown as well. Almost got one of these. But yeah. Sorry if I don't want this walk around to be too long to where, you know, everyone just skips it. So I'm just gonna show my highlights now, but if I don't show your car, I apologize. If I do show your car, then just leave it down in the comments below what car you were driving here today. I don't know what it is with our X7s today, but they are just in abundance. Actually kind of cool seeing all of them. TRX brother, we didn't bring ours out today, unfortunately, because my dad isn't feeling too well. So, Civic. That Mark IV is an absolute classic for Coffee Concord. These two, Evo 3 and Astagia, these are actually a couple. Love this. Love that. Oh, I want to get one of these, honestly. RB25. I just think they're so cool, especially since it's a wagon. I also want to get one of these, a Suzuki Cappuccino. I was talking to my boy Fob Shot with that silver NSX. Between this and a Honda Beat. Hard choices. Kind of cool lineup here. C5, C6, C7, all red. Even more cool lineups. Over there's like every color type bar besides Sonic Gray, which I'm just kind of thankful for. We got my boy Andrew there. I think that's my boy's R8. I'm not really sure. Then have to come and take a quick little look at this dream car. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about the Apexes on it, but still love it. It's got the sport seats, cargo buckets. That's my boy Aston Farms brought out his other Vantage this time. Not his carbon one that he brought out. Like I mentioned before, we got the Type R lineup. Championship white, the red, the black, and then loose blue. And then to finish it off, we got a Chaser. But this seems to be the JDM section. So we got a Evo, and then a S15 Spec R. I should put some Gizmo LM GT2s, I think, on here. Very nice. But this is just the little back lot on the Concord. We got a Gallardo. Is that a Gallardo Superleggero? We got a whole bunch of stuff. Gonna get some photos up here. And meanwhile, there's still a line for this. Haven't seen that MR2 in forever. It doesn't have its red camo wrap anymore. That is a Turbo K MR2 with a side exit. The cars that you see here are no freaking joke. Like, you got so much variety. Even in this little one, you got every single basic country, every little bit. This show's amazing. I was talking about my boy's R8 earlier. This is actually it. He drives this thing a good bit, and I mean, it deserves it. Because, you know, I was talking to that BMW 1M owner. These cars don't deserve to just sit in garages. They're not great. Just like that Lotus Emira. But there's the MR2 I was telling you about. See the exhaust right there. Oh, we got my boy Carlos finally back out here with his GT350. I had a video shoot with this thing like 2 years ago. Honestly, it was crap. But huge shout out to him for actually set that up. The car's looking good as always. Feels like it's been an eternity since I've seen this thing. But we got even more cars down there, and we got to see what else pulled up on the other side. Hey, look at that. Is that a GT350 coming up? Okay, not a 350. Got my hopes up for a second. It is definitely not.
I bet the driving experience is
Let's see. This is down here. Like I said before, the Mira. I absolutely love those cars. GT3. Got this thing converted. A little dirt specs on it. CD5 356 Speedster. Pretty sure this is a kit car. Beautiful 350 and it's yellow. Rarely see the yellow. I think I actually saw this car here a couple months ago. Still gorgeous. Don't think anything else down there. Hellcat, Mustang, Horn. Another Civic Type R down there. Mustangs on welds. GT350 on welds. Whoa, hold on.
Actually wasn't too bad. I talked to Amy at Skating.
Look at this thing. It's got a different hood. It's got Shelby wheels and the welds on the back. I wonder what this thing has under the hood. It says blown in intercooler. Oh, Pro Charger. Answers my question right there. Man, ooh, this thing. This was at China Grove last Saturday. This Belvedere. Looks like stock wheels, but if you look at the tire width, you will notice that it is in fact not stock. This thing looks amazing. Got an air filter on it. It's not stock.
Oh yeah, look at
This thing is freaking beautiful. It's even sick too. Like I said, so many great cars here. Look, a 6 car right there. And GT350 dream car. It's crazy just the amount of stuff that you see. R32, GT3, C7. Look, it just shows you the variety right there. But I mean, this parking lot literally goes on forever. Taking a look over here where the Hendrick cars normally are. Looks like they brought a couple different cars. We got a Chevelle SS, and this one actually has a LT4 in it. Full custom, nice interior. What I want to look at though is this 964 or G-Body Speedster. This is beautiful. I can't even remember the last time I actually saw a Speedster. You never go wrong with these. And then beautiful Camaro. It's been here before. The parking cars right there, here, everything. Over here, I'm pretty sure this is officially the Classics corner now. So, and you can see a whole bunch of Classics. This guy's a regular here. That car's always so sick. I want to look at this thing right here. Holy crap. Look at this Duesenberg. Supercharged. Whoa. That is insane. You know, I don't think I got this thing on film last time. Look at a new Shelby Super Snake. Honestly, I think there's way too much going on with these things. But it's still really cool to see. You can just see all that little upper grill. Super Snake. Pretty nice. I actually like the bronze uprights. But I don't think there's anything much up there. I'm gonna walk down there and make my way to
Yeah, if you go behind the coffee
this hatch. Civic hatch with a J32 in it. and a blower.
I see a Blue Beetle from here. I see an old brown truck like this.
There's also a brown Camaro.
Okay, there's a bunch of cars parked in the grass on the opposite side of the road that they kind of walking back like on the curb, like literally right up against
This is so freaking
where the
cool.
stairs go up for the breezeway to walk in.
This thing's making funny noises. I don't think that's what's Well, it looks like we got Tom here as well, and he's crazy. F80. Shit, there's probably so many things that pulled up that I never even saw. Just like my boy Jet down here in his Super Trofeo. It's always cool seeing the Super Trofeo car on the street, given that this was an actual race car, not just a street car with a body kit. But like I mentioned before, end of the walk around. Still so many freaking cars here, so apologies again if I didn't get your car, but now it's that time. Today we are over here at Brooklyn's Pizzeria, my dad's pizzeria, who we are celebrating our 25th anniversary. Our manager Gabe, who we hired on a couple years ago, he's been excellent. He's putting on this show in conjunction with our boy Victor at Premier Auto Sounds and a couple other people, and super great event. I started recording because DJ wasn't playing music, but now he's playing music, so I can't really show you guys down here what's there without getting copyrighted. I can try as much as I can, but we got everything here. I mean, we got classics, we got German medium, my boy Rick over here in his Aspen. Then we got Wade's GNX. This thing has 1,047 miles on it. He bought it with 999. It's like brand new condition. This thing is absolutely sick. M2 Meister, my boy Vince, who my manager didn't even tell me, but he's the official videographer for this event, so that's really nice. So I'm actually really happy about that as well. We got M8 Comp Greg, SMH Hunter, beautiful E46, and then we got the brand new State Trooper Mustang. And if you saw my last video of Cars and Coffee Concord, you'll know this is the same exact Mustang that pulled over two people. He's actually a customer of ours. That thing's so sick. It's so funny seeing a cop livery on a Mustang, but we got a whole bunch more stuff down here. And then the spectator lot all the way in front of or on the other side of the pizzeria is just packed. We have a whole bunch of cars. Our 34 down there too. But really good turnout so far. There goes the cop Mustang. We got some Beamer boys that pulled up. I'm my boy M440 all the way down at the end there. But that thing's so freaking cool. Talking to him for a good little bit. So I'm gonna help him.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's the sex, baby. It's the sex.
Got little medals. That's our manager, Gabe.
Let me get a picture of it.
He's one. Show's wrapping up. Went inside just a little bit. Good bit of cars still here. We had my boy in his R8 earlier. Wasn't actually expecting him to show up. Parked though.